control go hand-free and 16 voice commands like GoPro take a photo and GoPro turn on understands English, US, UK, AU and India, Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, BR, Russian and Spanish. 4K 60 videos plus 12 megapixel photos. Hero 7 Black shoots tuning 4K 60 videos and 12 megapixel photos that are awesome. Olympus Tough TG6 waterproof camera. The color is red. Waterproof 50 feet or 15 meter. Dustproof, shockproof 7 feet or 2 or 1 meter. Crushproof 100 kg. Freezeproof 14 degree Fahrenheit or 10 degree Celsius. Anti-fog. If we talk about the resolution, then its resolution is high f2.0 lens. Maximum 8x zoom. True picture 8 black illuminated CMOS image sensor. Variable macro system comprised of 4 macro shooting modes, magnified shooting up to 1 centimeter from the end of the lens. 5 underwater shooting modes including underwater microscope, 3 underwater white balance modes. If we talk about the movie, then it shoot 4K movie and full HD 120 FPS. High speed movie can be recorded. Battery life approximately 340 images using Toshiba SDHC UHS-1 card Syria with is on based on CIPA test standards. Approximately 5 minutes under standard JEITA testing. Approximately 110 minutes when zoom and other operational functions are not used, when repeatedly recorded at the maximum time of 20 minutes. Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to Kesrani Online TV. Today we will discuss about the 5 best action camera. DJI Osmo Action 4K action camera, 12 megapixel digital camera with 2 displays, 36 feet underwater, waterproof, Wi-Fi, HDR video, 145 angle. The color is black. Dual screen. Osmo Action is dual screen, allows you to capture it all with the touch of a button. A vivid front screen lets you frame yourself effortlessly in any setting, while the back screen delivers a crystal clear, hyper-responsive display. This durable, versatile action camera is jam-packed with advanced technology that lets you spend less time worrying about equipment and more time living the action. The rock-steady technology combines EIS with complex algorithms, delivering stable, shake-free footage no matter how heavy the action gets. Action camera with CMOS sensor, 12 megapixel, wide range, 140 degree that allows you to shoot 4K HDR videos. 8x slow motion capture every epic move with jaw-dropping clarity and detail when you use 8x slow motion with 180 pixel, 1080 pixel resolution and 240 FPS. If we talk about the time lapse, it condensed time and movement for tuning, easy to achieve results. 12-meter waterproof, negative 10 degree temperature resistance, sporting a water light seal and a hydroponic coating on the back touch screen. Osmo Action is waterproof at the depth of up to 11 meters, making it the perfect underwater companion. Versatile batteries perform well even in extremely cold environment with a temperature as low as -10. GoPro Hero 8 Black waterproof action camera with touchscreen, 4K Ultra HD video, 12 megapixel photos, 1080p live streaming stabilization. If we talk about the hyper smooth, then Hero 8 Black has 3 levels of stabilization. The one is on, the other is high, and the boost is the last one. Get the widest views or boost to the smooth video over offered in a Hero cameras. Works with all resolution and frame rates and features in app horizon leveling. If we talk about the streamlined design, the re-imaged shape is more pocketable and folding finger at the base lets you swap mounts quickly. Our new wide door makes changing batteries even faster, and the lens is now 2x more impact resistant compared to previous models. It has expandable modes. Vloggers, pro filmmakers and aspiring creators can do more than ever imagined with our Hero 8 Black modes. sold separately. Media mode gives you shotgun, mic, farm performance, and lets you attach light mode and display mode to your camera capture game. Live streaming in 180p 1080p share while you are there. Live streaming in 1080p on social media. Get hyper smooth stabilization as you broadcast via the GoPro app and save footage to your SD card to check out later. If we talk about the time ripe, it captures super stabilized time lapse videos while moving through an activity. Automatically adjust speed based on motion, scene detection, and lighting. Slow the effect to real time, savoring special moments, and then tap to speed it back up. Live burst. If we talk about the live burst, record the movements 1.5 seconds before and after you shot, so you can choose the best single frame for the perfect photo or an amazing shareable video. It gives the super photo and HDR killer 12 megapixel photos with improved HDR while in motion or stationary with reduced blur and serious detail even in low light areas. It captures 4K UHD 216 Picasso V50 Elite upgraded series of Picasso V50. It records 4K or 50 FPS, 4K or 30 FPS, 2.7K or 60 FPS, 2.7K or 30 FPS, 1000p or 150 FPS, 720p or 240 FPS video, and 20 megapixel image. You can capture high quality full HD footage with the Picasso V50 Elite action camera. You can control your Picasso V50 Elite action camera hand-free with voice commands: live action, start video, action photo, super image stabilization, built-in advanced electronic image stabilization. V50 Elite action camera predicts your movement and corrects for camera shake to deliver instantly smooth footage. Optional view angle. You can adjust the view angle of this action camera according to your needs between the wide, medium, and narrow. This sports camera also has the distortion calibration feature, which offers image distortion improvement. Waterproof camera up to 131 feet equipped the improved waterproof case. This underwater camera can deep dive up to 131 feet, ready to capture all details of